Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Improve English Talk. I'm really happy that you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. It's great to be here again, listening together, learning together, slowly.
So today, we're going to practice slow English for real life. Not fast, not difficult, just simple daily conversation.
Yeah, because real life English is not perfect English. It's not grammar books. It's people talking, thinking, and sometimes stopping.
Yes, that's very true. Sometimes we stop, sometimes we think, sometimes we forget a word. And that's okay.
Exactly. That's completely okay. English doesn't have to be fast to be good.
If you're a beginner, or if English makes you nervous, this episode is for you.
Yeah, maybe your heart beats faster when someone speaks English to you. That happens to many people.
I understand that feeling. Sometimes English feels big and scary, like a long road.
But we don't need the whole road today. We just need one small step.
Exactly. Today we'll practice simple sentences that people use every single day.
Things like, how are you? What are you doing? How was your day?
And we'll speak slowly, so you can listen, relax, and maybe even speak with us.
No pressure, no rush, just English at your speed.
You don't need to understand everything right now. Just listen, feel the rhythm, and let English come to you.
Because learning English is not a race, it's a journey.
So take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's begin together. Okay, let's start with something very simple, something we all talk about every day.
Our day, right? How our day is going, how we feel in daily life.
Yes, exactly. So imagine you meet a friend or a coworker, and they ask you, "How is your day going?"
Hmm, that's a very common question, and people ask it all the time.
And the good news is, you don't need a long answer. You don't need perfect English.
Yes, sometimes a short answer is more than enough.
For example, you can say, "My day is good."
That's it. Simple, clear, and correct.
No big words, no stress.
Or maybe your day is not very good, and that's okay too.
Yes, real life is like that. Some days are good, some days are hard.
So you can say, my day is okay.
Or, if you feel tired, you can say, "My day is a little busy."
Busy, tired, but still okay.
Notice something important here. These sentences are short and easy to remember.
Yes, because in real conversations, people don't speak like books.
Exactly. People speak simply, especially in daily life.
Sometimes people even say, same old day.
Yes, that's very common. So don't worry. If your English feels small, small English is still English.
And every small sentence is one step forward.
Let's listen once more to a very simple exchange. "How is your day going?"
It's good, thank you.
That's enough. That's real life English, and you're doing great. Now, let's talk about something else, something people ask almost every day.
Hmm, like, what are you doing today?
Yes, exactly. That question comes up all the time.
At work, with friends, even with family, people always ask that.
And again, you don't need a long answer. You don't need perfect grammar.
Short, simple answers work very well.
For example, you can say, "I'm working today."
Simple, natural, and correct.
Or maybe, "You are at home and not working."
Then you can say, I'm staying at home today.
That sounds nice sometimes.
Yes, especially on a quiet day,
You can also talk about plans. Small plans, nothing big.
like shopping, meeting a friend, or resting,
Yes, all of those. I'm going to the store.
or I'm meeting a friend later.
Notice something important. We are using very common words.
Yes, words people hear every day.
That's why daily English is easier to remember.
Because it feels real.
And if you're not sure what to say, you can always say, I'm not doing much today.
Oh, that's a good one. Very easy.
Yes, easy, honest, and very natural.
So, even small sentences are enough for real conversations.
Exactly. English is not about sounding smart. It's about being understood.
And feeling comfortable while speaking.
So take your time, listen again, and try these sentences at your own speed.
Little by little, you're building confidence, and that really matters.
Now, let's talk about something people ask at the end of the day.
You mean, how was your day?
Yes, exactly. That simple question can start a long conversation or a very short one.
And it's a question we hear everywhere at home, at work, with friends.
The good thing is, you don't need a long story to answer it.
Yeah, sometimes people just want a feeling, not all the details.
So, if your day was good, you can say, My day was good.
Simple, clear, and very natural.
No stress at all.
And if your day was a little difficult,
You can say, My day was okay.
okay, not bad, not great, just okay.
That's very common English. People use it all the time.
Yeah, sometimes okay says a lot.
And if you feel tired, you can add one small word. My day was busy.
Busy days. We all have those.
Notice again short sentences, easy words, real English.
It feels nice knowing you don't have to explain everything.
Exactly. You share only what you want.
What if someone asks, why was it busy?
Good question. You can keep it simple. I had a lot of work.
That works perfectly.
Yes, short answers are polite and very normal.
That takes a lot of pressure away.
So remember, how was your day doesn't need a perfect answer.
Just be real, simple, and comfortable.
Listen again, repeat slowly, and use these sentences in your own life. Now, let's talk about something very simple but very useful.
Hmm, what is it?
Talking about what you did today. Small actions, nothing big.
Oh, like work, home, or simple daily things?
Yes, exactly. Real life stuff. For example, you can say, I worked today.
Simple, past tense, and very common.
And don't worry, you don't need many details.
That's good, because details can be hard.
You can also say, I stayed at home today.
Oh, that's an easy one. I like that.
Yes, easy English is good English.
What if I went somewhere?
Good question. Then you can say, I went to the store.
Went. Very useful word.
Or, I met a friend.
That sounds nice.
Notice something. We're using very short sentences, but they tell the story.
Yeah, people can understand without many words.
Exactly. English doesn't have to be long to be clear.
That makes me feel more confident about speaking.
Good. That's the goal. So you can answer, What did you do today with just one sentence?
And that's enough for real conversations.
Yes, one sentence is a great start.
Small English, big progress.
Exactly. Little by little, you're getting better. So, let's stop here for a moment.
Yeah, let's take a breath and think about what we just practiced.
We didn't use big grammar or difficult words.
No, we used simple English, the kind people use every day.
You practiced talking about your day, your plans, and small actions.
And you did it slowly, without rushing, without pressure.
That's important because confidence comes from feeling calm.
Not from trying to be perfect.
Exactly. Perfect English is not the goal.
Being understood, that's the real goal.
So if you remember just one thing today, small English every day is enough.
You don't need long study hours or difficult books.
Just listen, repeat, and use English in your life.
And don't be afraid of pauses or mistakes.
They're part of the journey.
Take your time, go at your speed, and trust yourself.
Thank you for listening with us today.
We're really happy you're here learning English step by step.
We'll be back soon with more slow, simple conversations.
Until then, take care and keep practicing.
Bye for now.